Is your Xiaomi phone's Bluetooth not working? Don't worry, it's probably just a glitch, and there are some simple solutions to fix it. Let's get into these fixes. Solution 1. Turn on and off airplane mode. Just swipe down from the right side of your screen and turn on airplane mode from the quick settings. Then turn it off after 30 seconds. Now check if that fixed the issue. Solution 2. Check for hardware issue. To do this, first open the Settings app. After that, tap on About Phone. Next, tap on Detailed Info and Specs from here. After that, scroll down a little and find the kernel version. Then quickly tap on it till you get into the CIT or Hardware Test mode. After that, scroll down a little and tap on Bluetooth Scan and see if that works properly. After that, come back to the main CIT page and tap on Bluetooth. Now check if that works. If not, contact Xiaomi Service Center. Solution 3. Turn off developer options. For this one, open the Settings app again. Then scroll down and find additional settings. Now scroll down a little and tap on developer options. Now just toggle it off. After that, reboot your phone and check if that did the trick for you. Solution 4. Reset Bluetooth settings. To do this, open up the Settings app on your Xiaomi device. Then tap on More Connectivity Options. After that, scroll down a little and tap on Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks, and Bluetooth. Then tap the Reset Settings button from the bottom of the screen. Now, if you have a lock on, whether it's a pin or pattern, enter it. After that, tap the OK button and your Bluetooth settings will be reset. Now the issue should be gone. And that's how you fix the Bluetooth not working issue on your Xiaomi phone.